If you are unable to access your American Express account and do not have verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the American Express website. Go to the official American Express website. Look for the sign-in option and click on it to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot User ID or Password. On the login page, find and click the link that says Forgot User ID or Password. This will take you to the account recovery options. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information helps verify your identity. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. If you do not receive a verification code, look for alternative recovery options. This may include answering security questions or receiving a one-time code via email or phone call. Step 5. Contact customer service. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your American Express account. If you encounter any issues, customer service is there to assist you further.